Good morning, and today we have a look at the Kelly Kettle, the famous Kelly Kettle, and this is the Scout model, the 1.2 litre, and I've measured it out. It takes 4 good mugs of water. This is the version with the whistle on it. You can leave the bung in if the whistle's on it, with the arrow pointing down, and if it hasn't got the whistle, the bung's got to be out when you're boiling it, otherwise it will explode apparently. Right, so let's start the fire. Hopefully this will work out. A couple of little bits of cardboard or whatever you want to start the fire with. There's the air hole there which faces the wind. There isn't much wind today, so let's hope it lights. A little bit of cardboard, a little bit of kindling. The drier the better, the thinner the better, just to get it going. So we'll have a little look here, see what we've got to start this little fire. Little twigs just to get it going. Not too many, but I want to put enough to make sure it goes, because I don't want to light it again really. Right then, let's have a little try with this. I'm using a lighter today rather than the flint lights, because it's easier. I've got the lighter, so I'm going to use it. Make sure the twigs are in the bowl, otherwise the kettle is not going to sit on it properly. That should start drawing soon. Let's put the kettle on. I think it's lit. Now it's lit. Let's put the kettle on and see. And you can feed the fire by dropping them in. That seems to be light. Obviously watch your fingers when you're feeding it. A lot of people balance it and tip it, but my hands are pretty hard enough to do it, so that's what I'm going to do. Just throw it in. We've got a nice little fire going there. Plenty of little sticks, get some heat. From what I've seen of these, they take about 5 minutes to boil. Well, we'll see. You don't want to use anything any bigger than that really. That should be enough. Have a little sit down while I'm waiting. In fact, I can hear something starting with a whistle already. It all depends how good the fire is, I suppose. This is a full kettle. Now when you lift the kettle, I'll be showing you shortly how to lift it safely. The reason why the arrow points down there is because when it starts to boil, it can spit out all over the place. And if you had the normal bung, either cork or I think it's a red one instead of the whistling bung, the pressure inside the kettle would be so much that it would explode. But with the whistle, it vents there, so we're okay. Hopefully. It's a lovely day today in the garden. Too warm in the shed. We got a nice fire going there. You can cook on this and everything, but you need the hobo stove and a couple of accessories, which I haven't got at the moment, but I probably will. And when I do, rest assured I'll make a video. I won't show me pouring it in a cup, because this is the first run, and I thought I'd boil up some water just to clean it out properly after the manufacturing processes, just in case there's something still in there, oil, etc. This is a stainless steel version. You can have an aluminium. I opted for the stainless steel. I think it's a better option, really. This was, I think it was £53 delivered from Kelly Kettles direct. Let's feed a little bit more wood. It's burning very well in there. There's no need to put more wood in. Right, so the kettle's boiled. This is how we lift it. And I say, don't do that, because of the flame coming up, you'll burn your knuckles. So grab either side and lift it off carefully. And then to pour the water, take off the bung. Water's boiling nicely actually. Keep hold of the chain, and this is how it's poured. Nice and easy. Can't get better than that. So, quite impressed really. It didn't take that long to boil. I suppose it depends on how good the fire is. A nice little fire, burnt well. If you like it, press the like, subscribe to the channel. Normally I'd be enjoying a nice cup of tea, but I'm going to throw that water out and start again. Bye for now, catch you again soon.